Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change buy it now button. Just like this, as you can see, I'm on the product page of my shop. As you can see, I'm on the product page. As you can see, I changed the buy now button. I changed it to hit that like button. Now you can change it to any text you want, okay? So first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to log into your Shopify store. And I'm going to do that right now. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on online store here in the left. Okay, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on these three little dots next to customize, and you want to click on edit code. Now, don't worry, this is not like some complicated thing or anything like that. You just need to search here for this file, which is the name of the file. It's called Theme Liquid, okay? I'm going to search for it. As you can see, this is the file you need to search for. It's called theme.liquid. Now, depending on your theme, this is going to be different. I believe like it's going to be like style.liquid or something like that. Anything that ends in that liquid, that's the file you need to click on, okay? Now, after you click on the file, you want to scroll down at the very bottom. Like you want to click on the file first. And at the very bottom, you want to copy the code from the description. Like I will add the code in the description. Just click on it and it will take you guys to this website where you can just copy the code. You can just click on here. Just click on, just like copy the whole code. As you can see, I'm going to do that right now. This is the code. Control C or just right click and click on copy and go back. And you want to paste that code at the very bottom, okay? At the very bottom of theme.liquid file, you want to paste that code here, okay? And you want to click on save. Now, by the way, just keep that in mind. I named the text here, which is going to appear on the product page. I named it. I'm going to reload this page. Your new text here. So you can just change to any text you want. As you can see, the code contains this your new text here. You can change it to like, I'm going to go back, and you can change this text, for example, to buy it today or something like buy it now, or you can change this text to anything you want, or don't buy this, please. Okay, I'm going to click on save. Like I said, you can add any text here and it's going to change. As you can see, it's going to change from your new text here, and I'm going to reload this page and it's going to change don't buy this, please. Okay, you can just add any text you want. If this one helped you, please drop a like, and the code is in the description. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Any question you have, ask me in the comments. I will reply to you guys.